Take a deep breath. And now we're going to stroke the triple warmer meridian by going underneath the ears, and continue to breathe deeply and coach your client or your friend to breathe slow, even, and deep. By doing acupressure massage in this area around the ear, as your client breathes deeply, can be really illuminating and add to a special healing experience. You saw her head just move. That was a release of her autonomic nervous system. That by letting go her nerves, and you can circulate in different areas along the line you were just massaging. When a person lets go and the energy is flowing, there can be a natural release, a jerk, a shake. It's very common and very healthy for releasing the deeper stress that we're holding in our body.